Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Battlefield 2042 online on your personal computer. First, make sure your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. Then, purchase and install the game through a digital storefront like Steam or the EA app. Finally, create or log into your Electronic Arts account, which is essential for accessing all the online multiplayer features and connecting with other players. This initial setup is crucial for diving into the action. Once the game is installed, it is time to explore the various online game modes available. From the main menu, you can easily select your desired experience. You can quickly jump into a match using the matchmaking system, or if you prefer, browse a list of available servers to find one that suits you. Popular modes like Conquest involve capturing and holding objectives, while Breakthrough focuses on pushing through enemy lines. Each mode offers a unique challenge for up to 128 players. Now, let's discuss Jagged Blade and her ultimate, Rampage. Throw your Jagged Blade to wound an enemy, then recall it to pull them directly towards you, setting up easy follow-up attacks. Her ultimate, Rampage, is a devastating charge that wounds all enemies hit and applies a powerful anti-healing effect for 5 seconds. This ultimate is perfect for initiating team fights and securing eliminations. To truly master Battlefield 2042, focus on continuous improvement. Dedicate time to learning the intricate map layouts and identifying common engagement areas. This knowledge will significantly enhance your positioning. Regularly practice your aiming and movement mechanics to sharpen your combat effectiveness in firefights. As you play, you will naturally progress, unlocking a vast array of new weapons, useful attachments, and unique cosmetic items to customize your experience. Enjoy the journey of becoming a formidable player.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.